ब्रेक आ गया बीच में.
Sorry.
Good.
What did you ask?
वापस एक बार. नेक्स्ट टेक में कर दूँगी.
The leadership team is approachable and helpful. You can walk up, share an idea, they actually listen to it and we implement it.
From knowing nothing about cybersecurity to now contributing in growth, strategy, marketing, and business development, I have grown both professionally and personally.
My work life in Tribaston is very good, which I was expected before joining here. More than that, it is so good.
Beyond work, it's about the culture, the mentorship, and everyday movement that makes this place a place where you truly inspire and empowers. So don't forget. हंसो जियो मुस्कुराओ, आप ट्राइबेस्टन में हो.
तो वर्किंग कल्चर इज़ वेरी नाइस. बहुत ही अच्छा एनवायरनमेंट है.
I get the chance to learn so many technologies.
The one thing about this company which I love is people. I have gained lots of experience over here and it's really motivating to work where the company values growth.
I was actually one of the very first people who walked through those doors. I did not know where this journey would take me or the organization as a whole, but I was sure it would be somewhere worth going. And I've seen it all: long nights, rough beginnings, but we always triumphed in the end. And our spirit has always been strong from the very start.
At Tribaston, we're all individually very driven, but even more strong as a team. A team that wins together, celebrates together, and roars through every challenge we face.
Tribaston is not just an organization, it's more than that. It's actually a story of passion, a story of people who want to build something beautiful together.
My life at Tribaston has been fun, exciting, and honestly never boring. But if I had to summarize my experience working at Tribaston, it would be just two phrases: lead karo and kar do na yaar. That's basically our project charter, PMP, whatever you call it. Between these two phrases, we have learned, we have grown, we have unlearned, we have fixed, we have broken. But right now, as we speak, we are still growing and we have grown massively.
Life at Tribaston is motivating and dynamic.
It's been a year at Tribaston and since inception I've been here. So I would say from the first client meeting to the biggest achievements and entitlements, I have seen it, live it, and the most amazing part of all of these achievements were being my team.
Life at Tribaston is very simple. It's just fix it, own it, and deliver it. In between of all of this, never forget your chai breaks.
At Tribaston, our culture is built around people, their ideas, their growth, and their passion for excellence. I strongly believe when people feel trusted, valued, and inspired, they bring their best selves to work every day. Our values, integrity, collaboration, and continuous learning guide everything we do, from how we protect our clients to how we support each other as one strong team. What truly makes Tribaston special is how we celebrate our wins together. Every achievement, whether it is a project milestone, a new certification, or a client success, becomes a moment of pride for everyone. We make it a point to recognize effort, their contributions, appreciate talent, and enjoy the journey along the way. As we grow, we continue to build a workplace where people can learn, lead, and belong, a place where purpose meets passion and every voice matters. That's the spirit of Tribaston. When people grow and feel appreciated, the culture grows with them. And that's what we are building here. We welcome you to be part of our journey.
We are